well, I'm Sian. I'm the manager here at Coleg Y Bala, this wonderful building that we have as a resource to do children and youth work. Our vision is clear: to reach the young people of Wales through the medium of Welsh with the gospel, and to give children and young people the opportunity to hear the gospel and to see lives transformed.
I've been coming to Coleg Y Bala since I was about 16 years old, and I must say that it's played a key part in my sort of spiritual development.
I've been working with the youth in Coleg Y Bala for about 5 years, and the work God's doing in the young people in Wales through Coleg Y Bala is amazing.
I'm currently here as a gap year student in the college, and I help with the kids clubs and the kids and youth weekends, and it's great work. It's a great experience, and I hope the work develops.
Hi, I'm Sarah, and I've been coming to Coleg Y Bala since I was 8, and I enjoy it and I love it because we have so much fun with our friends, and we learn about Jesus in a colourful and cool and fun way.
Hi, I'm Lady. I've been coming to Coleg Y Bala since I'm 9, and I like it because I'm allowed to hang out with my friends and learn about Jesus.
So I've been coming to Coleg Y Bala since I was 8 years old, and it's really had a great effect on me. I've experienced the power of the gospel, and I've also come to know Jesus through the Coleg, and it's just been great and helped me just grow my faith and being transformed in God.
Well, it's been a great privilege to be a part of the work here for the last few years, and we appreciate your support and prayer for the work. And if you're driving through this beautiful part of Wales, past the mountains, and you're coming through Bala, please feel free to pop in for a cup of tea, or if you want more information, then visit our website. Thank you.